In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Wayfair products to WooCommerce using plugins. If you're setting up your online store and want to efficiently import Wayfair products, then you're in the right place. So let's get started. First up, we need to install a product feed or import plugin. Plugins like WP Alt Import are extremely helpful for handling product data from external sources like Wayfair. Once you've chosen a plugin, go ahead and click on Install. This plugin will make the import process smooth by allowing you to easily integrate Wayfair's product data into your WooCommerce store. After you've got WP All Import in place, you might also want to consider using other plugins such as Content Egg or Affiliate Egg. These are particularly useful for affiliate marketing, helping you manage affiliate products with ease on your site. Now let's move on to the next step. Another robust option is Data Feeder. This particular plugin simplifies the import and management of data feeds, making it easier to keep your store up to date with the latest products. Don't forget plugins like Affiliate Booster or Outlink, which can help you tune your online store's efficiency by enhancing affiliate links management. Before you start importing, you'll need to join Wayfair's affiliate program on cj.com. Wayfair offers a great opportunity for affiliates through their program, and signing up will provide you with the necessary access to product feeds and affiliate links. Once you're part of their affiliate program, you can easily get your product feed or affiliate links from Wayfair via CJ or Impact. Now let's upload our plugin to WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. You'll want to upload and activate WP All Import or any similar plugin you chose earlier. This process ensures your plugin is ready to go for importing your data. With your plugin activated, open WP All Import or a similar solution. You'll be importing feeds by using CSV or XML data. This allows you to bring in all the pertinent product details in a streamlined fashion. The next thing you'll want to do is map product fields. This is a crucial step where you decide how to organize the imported data in WooCommerce, mapping fields like title, image, description, price, and the affiliate URL to ensure the products display exactly how you want them in your store. Finally, hit the Run Import button. Once the import process starts, all of your selected products will begin appearing in your WooCommerce catalog. Each item will come with a Buy Now button directly linked to Wayfair, enabling a seamless shopping experience for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully imported Wayfair products to your WooCommerce store. Make sure to double check everything